Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to teach you about how you can earn $3,000 per month in CPA marketing as a beginner with simple tricks and tips. Okay, don't worry, this is an interesting chapter. You can easily get the point and you can easily earn with this traffic method. Okay, this is an absolutely a free traffic method. Okay, I'm going to teach you about, and I'm going to teach you about the paid traffic also. Okay, you can either use free or paid. Okay, without wasting any time, let's move to the video. Why people are failing in CPA marketing? The main reason is traffic. If you don't have a proper traffic means, definitely you can even earn a single lead from CPA marketing. Okay, imagine that per day you are getting 10,000 visitors, and if you get at least 100 clicks means definitely you can earn at least $50 to $60 per day. Okay, this is easiest way to earn in CPA marketing. I'm going to teach you the secret tips nobody ever said in YouTube. Okay, without wasting any time, let's move on to the video. Okay, this is my AdSense dashboard. Totally I have earned $8,564 and $789 which I've got paid, $186 pending balance I'll get in the month end. Okay, this is the main thing. Okay, most of the people will have a WordPress. If you don't have a WordPress, means no issues. I'll teach you the free method also. Okay, in the WordPress, if you want to purchase a WordPress means no worries, I'll give the link in the description. You can buy your favorite hosting. Okay, so this is WordPress. Okay, this is the WordPress. For an example, I'll open a new CPA group. Okay, this is a new CPA group profile. Still I haven't used. See, the $are 0.00. okay, it's a fresh account. Let's pick offer. Okay, let's select the country United States. Okay, United States. Okay, this is the targeted country, and yeah, please see this. If your customer submit their email and zip code means you'll get $2.6. okay, if 10 members have submitted the leads means you can earn $20. Only if 10 members submitted their information means you'll get $20. okay, first we'll click this and let's copy this link. Okay, then please go to the WordPress and click on pages, add new, little bit in the internet issue, sorry. Okay, for an example, select the heading as free iPhone giveaway. Okay, for an example, we are keeping as free iPhone giveaway. You can attract the people with any catchy lines. Okay, you can attract with any catchy lines. Okay, for an example, okay, this is your content. Okay, this is your content and this is WordPress. Okay, and this is traffic area, short form I'll use at TA. Okay, from your content you are going to convert it in the WordPress with the content locker. Okay, this WordPress work will called as content locking. Okay, you're going to create a content like a free iPhone giveaway, and you're going to use a website called as WordPress for content locking, and you are going to publish it on traffic area. Okay, this is how the CPA marketing will works. First you have to pick and create a content, then you are going to publish it on the WordPress, and after publishing on the WordPress you have to get the link and you have to place in the traffic area. This is the simplest way. Okay, for an example I'll show you. Okay, so you have a heading like free iPhone giveaway, and you can type anything. Okay, grab it, grab it now. Okay. Without wasting time, I'm going to skip this part. Okay, so for an example, click it as a grab it now. Okay, and you have to place the link here. Okay, so getting the link, just copy the link and paste it on the words. Okay, grab it. So you have placed the link. Okay, so definitely you have to upload a images also. Okay, for images you can use pixels. Okay, this pixels is a free website. You can get the stock images for absolutely free, so you don't get a copyright issue. Okay, iPhones. Just you can download any videos. Okay, and just place this photo here. Okay, then click on publish. Actually, like this you should not do it. Okay, you should have some content with catchy content. You have to use a content like grab it now today itself, absolutely 80% offer, and you have to tell us many valuable things. Okay, then only the customer will get an interest and they will submit the things. Okay, so okay, like this you have to do it. Then after publishing, copy the published link. Now we are going to the main part. Okay, we have taken the link, we have created a content, we have used the content locker, and after publishing, just copy the published content. So this is the main part, how to drive traffic. I'll show you with example. Website called as Funky Ads. This is an absolutely free ads website. Just click on publish your ads. Just log in the websites. Sorry, I have a little bit internet issue. Yeah, okay, I think it's opened. Please wait for 15 seconds. I think some ads are running in the yeah. Okay, yeah. Click on publish ads. Okay, then fill the form. Okay, just select the category which you have created a content, then give a title as a free iPhone giveaways, and give a brief explanation about the description. Okay, please give a brief explanation about the iPhone and add the iPhone images. Just click on the price as 200. Okay, just $200. They won't really ask for the price. Then fill all the form and click on publish. From here you will have a definitely traffic. Okay, then second website called as Sigma Traffic. In the Sigma Traffic, they are giving you free 6,000 visitors. Okay, they are giving you daily free 6,000 visitors. Once you used this 6,000 visitors, no problem, just create another email and use this again. Okay, for each email they are giving you 6,000 visitors. So if this 6,000 visitors has been finished, means create another email, then use the 6,000 visitors. For an example, we have copied this link, right? Just paste this link and click on get free traffic. Okay, so this is how you will get the traffic. So okay, so we have seen with the WordPress hack also. Okay, WordPress is the main thing. If you have WordPress, means you will get the results instantly. Okay, so please try to use the WordPress, and let's calculate the conversion. Okay, for an example, okay, if you have a 10,000 visitors daily. 10,000 visitors daily, and you are going to convert it by 10%. Okay, so you are getting only 10% conversion. Means, let's see. Okay, let's divide and 10. Okay, 1,000. So 10,000 visitors are coming to your link, and only 1,000 people are taking steps. And from this 1,000, just we can convert a 20% conversion. For 1,000, 20% conversion, 50. Okay, from 1,000 people you will get 100 leads. From this 100 leads, if you get a 50 proper leads, means, just imagine, per lead $2. So for 50 leads you will get $100 daily. So if you earn $100 daily, means for $30 you can earn a $3K with easily, with absolutely this tricks. Okay, and at secret tips I'm going to help you in personal. Okay, many people don't have a proper mentor. Okay, you don't want to worry about it. I'm giving my social media links in the description. Please click on the link, and please text me in the Telegram or Instagram or WhatsApp or any other social media which I'm going to in the description. Okay, this is a free tips. You should must try these tips, and you can easily earn in the CPA marketing. If you have any doubts, please let me know in my personal message. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel and like the channel, and please share my channels to your friends. Thank you guys.